guys, welcome back to this channel. My name is Kenny, and in this video I'm going to be walking you guys through my nighttime hyperpigmentation routine. So I did film a morning hyperpigmentation skincare routine, and I'm going to link that up here somewhere for you guys to check out. And this is super effective for me every time I suffer from hyperpigmentation, any form of scarring after like breakouts, acne, or when my skin is just acting up. This skincare routine that sorts me right out. Also, just in terms of my skin type, I have oily skin, always acne prone. Any little thing can sort of set me off, which is obviously not great, but that's why we're here. So let me show you guys what I do. So firstly, here we have the Ordinary Peeling Solution. Right, so this is a very strong solution, and it's a face mask, and I put it on my skin twice a week. So I put a couple of drops on my skin and I leave it on there for about 10 minutes. It does instruct you not to leave it on for any longer than 10 minutes unless you want your skin to burn off. And I've watched a couple of videos where people are like, oh my god, like I leave it on for like 20 minutes. I'm like, what are you doing? Like, you actually ruin your skin. Guys, like, don't do that. So I try to spread it out. So if I use it on a Monday, the next time I use it's probably like on a Thursday. So now let's move on to what I do on a daily basis. And actually guys, I'm not going to pretend that, you know, hyperpigmentation is all about products. Right at the end of the video, I'm going to show you a couple of vitamins that I use and just things that I use outside of products that really helps me with my skin health. So the trusty Cereve foaming cleanser, I've featured this a few times on my channel. This is my go-to cleanser. It's a very gentle cleanser. It doesn't strip the skin, and I just really like it because it's very simple. It does the job. It gets straight to the point, especially when it's not so cold. So during the warmer months, I really tend to opt for this. I also opt for the Hydrating Cream Tea Foam Cleanser, also from Cereve. This is a little bit more hydrating, and when my skin is feeling dry already, I don't want anything that's gonna like strip it even more. So after I'm done cleansing, I go straight to toning. Here I just try to balance out my skin from all the washing and the rinsing and the cleansing. I will opt for the Keep Cool and Soothe toner. So all the toners that I feature in these videos are actually Korean because I really like their toners. I like how hydrating they are, and that's something you really need when you're trying to treat hyperpigmentation. You know, you really want to bring hydration back into your skin. Your skin actually heals quicker when it's hydrated, so make sure that you're bringing hydration back into your skin, and this is very good for that. It's 85% water, so it's like, how much more hydration do you need? This is the final toner, and this is a Mandelic acid toner. So I use this on a day where I haven't exfoliated. So Mandelic acid is actually exfoliating. It's quite mild in the way that it exfoliates, but it's exfoliating nonetheless. I definitely will not use this on the same day as I have used the peeling solution or any sort of exfoliator. It's got some really hydrating ingredients in there, and if you use this for a while, you'll notice that your skin will start to glow because Mandelic acid will actually start to get rid of the dead layer of skin. So according to the instructions on this, you can actually use this on a daily basis as opposed to the peeling solution, and it's very unlikely to irritate your skin unless you have quite sensitive skin. So those are my toners. So once we've cleansed, once we've toned our skin, so the serum part is where I really go for those lightening ingredients. That is when I will opt for my arbutin 2% and Kojic acid serum. When I started using it, I definitely started to see results within the next few weeks of using this, and I noticed that my dark marks really started to fade. And I remember sending a picture to my friend like, oh my god, look how much my skin has changed since I started using this. And I will actually try and find that picture that I sent to my friend and insert it here. And alternatively, if you can't get hold of that, The Ordinary actually also does a serum. It's alpha arbutin 2% plus hyaluronic acid from The Ordinary, and this also has some really good lightening active ingredient, obviously alpha arbutin, so you can definitely opt for this. Guys, because I do really like to keep my skincare routine quite simple, the next step is straight to moisturizer. I know you can use like essences and ampules, but to be honest, I just like to get straight to the point with my skincare routine. And this moisturizer has definitely been featured a few times in my skincare routine videos, but this is the Neutogena Hydroboost. So this is a very hydrating moisturizer, and it's got hyaluronic acid in it. So rather than using a hyaluronic acid serum and then using a different moisturizer, like, why not just get a moisturizer with hyaluronic acid in it? So that's what I did, and this does a good job. It really helps to add lots of moisture back into my skin after the serums and all the steps beforehand. And then after moisturizing, if you use an oil, you can opt for an oil just to seal all that in. Some people use Vaseline. You can opt for an occlusive to just really seal in all the moisture that you've just put into your skin. And when it comes to general skin health, like I said earlier, it's not just down to products. Products are cool, products do help, but your entire lifestyle does make a difference. So when we eat junk food and, you know, drink fizzy drinks, things that we know, you know, aren't good for you, like Trust me, I know, like there's times I just want to indulge, and I do indulge, but I think it's really important not to overdo it because it does affect your skin health. I actually do take some vitamins as well that really contribute to better skin health, and I think the #1 vitamin is definitely vitamin C, as well as eating fruits that are really rich in vitamin C. Bell peppers are actually really high in vitamin C, so oranges, you know, just foods that you know are high in vitamin C, and they contribute to building your collagen, which helps to build your skin cells. So vitamin C is so important. These are vitamin C tablets, and I have one of these every day, so it's like drinking my vitamin C, and it really helps with my skin. Like, I noticed that when I do stick to drinking this, my skin definitely glows more. My skin just behaves better. Another supplement that's really good for the skin, zinc, is actually really good for the skin. I take one of these a day. You know, skincare is so holistic. It's not just one size fits all, so it's important to make sure that you're looking at it from a number of different angles and different perspectives. But guys, that is my hyperpigmentation skincare routine that really works for me. Thank you so much guys for watching this video, and make sure you stay beautiful, stay blessed, and I'll see you guys in my next video.